Thank you. This is our final product of Umurava competitions. This video will explain how the users will use this product. As you can see here, this is our login page. You know, every platform need to log in, like to have the access to the page. You must first log in and accessing the page. Let's go to see how it's work. First of all, you need to have your email has been registered. Yeah, this is our dashboard of Umurava platform AI. Here is where the administrator, the one who need the employee, the where he or she will get the applicant applications, where he or she can screening the those people who have been applied to the platform for the jobs. As you can see, I have the dashboard. This dashboard will give the access to see how the platform is working, the analyzing of the peoples, and the and have the top candidate. As you can see here, this is the one of the that we have been used for the screening the workers. And this is this, as you can see here, they are, first of all, they are listen screening what you have been screened, total screening, candidate reviewed, average match score, and top tires. These top tires is the how they are being ranked. And score distribution, as you can see here, we have between 90 and 100 0, but 7 between and 89 to have 7. So let's see how we can screening the one who have been applied. First of all, you will need to create the job. That job will include everything that will be needed to the applicant to apply for the job. Here, first of all, you will need to create the job. The job will have job title, department, required skills, experience, and here's this is can be the senioritas, mid-levels, intermediate, professionals. First of all, you will need, like, let's have need a senior backend developer. In department, let's see backend development. Here is the skills that will be clarified to the one who need to apply. Here, like, if you need the front end, back end developer, all other things depends on your job. You will just type Node.js, React, and next JS. Here we classify the minimal experience which is required to the our job. Let's have 5. Here description just say this job, this position is and then what you will do just to create your job. As you can see here, you have our, our senior backend developers. First of all, just click on your job that have been created, and then you screen the candidate for this job. Here is the those candidates who have been applied, where you will be fetched from your database, will be on the screen of your dashboard, which will be easy for screening the applicant. Here, for the first of all, we need to add the content. You can pass by JSON profile. You can just add your CSV PDF for extracting the data from those PDF, and then which will screen the applicant. Also, you can here add manually, depends on your choice. But now here we have those applicant as sample. So let's screen the our applicant to see the result. Here, as you can see, we get the message by our AI to analyze the people who have been get the lizard. As you can see here, you have the experience. Here we get the result of the our our applicant that I strongly highly, because they have all the required skills. Let's see here if we add the manually the applicant that have not full required skills experience, what will be helpful, because we have seen that if they have full required experience, they can get analyzed, get highly recommendation that we can hire them. Let's see that if we had the application that have not met with our required skills and documents. As you can see here that they have basic knowledge of HTML, bachelor degree in relevant field, availability for full-time work. But as you can see here, they have lack of certificate, limited of experience, no language. And here our candidate, they have not skilled for our job.